So going through this one more time, got my intro test user. Authentication methods, this is where we're going to start off for the synced passkeys. You see here that we've got our different breakout, just like I described in the blog. Main one I'm worried about is this Acme passkey synced users here. You can see from the profile, it's using the synced passkey profile, which clearly has the settings for doing password sync. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to users, and I'm going to do intra, and I'm going to create a new user. We're going to call this new user Acme user 2. We're going to, we're going to go generate a password, and we're going to set that. We're going to leave the account enabled, and we're just going to call this intra test user 2. Next, properties. Their job title, that is what they do. And we're going to add them to the group. Acme passkey synced user. And we're going to go next and create, and we're going to create the user. And we're going to let that create, refresh. I'm assuming we're going to get that. Yep. So we're going to refresh browser. Seems to be what happens right after you create the user. So let's go over here. Try test user 2. Let's try it again. Give it a second. Takes a minute. Patience. It's all Intune admins are quite aware of. There we go. So cool. Now we've got this set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to bootstrap it with a tap. So I'm going to go ahead and create a tap. I'm going to get the security info. I'm going to copy the tap, and I'm going to go register this user. Obviously, I don't want to. Let's go back. Cancel. Use another account. Acme user 2 at baseline.microsoft.com. It's just our lab demo name. I'm going to put the tap in. Now I gained access. And then from here, I'm going to add a sign-in method. If you see passkey set up because they're a member of the group, so they have the passkey, I'm going to go through the on-screen instructions. So I'm going to set up using a passkey, set up the passkey, just like I did in the blog. We're going to select my keychain. That's the whole point of this. And just like that, there you go. It was saved. And we're going to call this, iCloud keychain. And now the passkey synced. Now, passkey created, users bootstrap. They've got a passkey. And next step is we'll just go log into something. Typically, the My Apps is going to take a little while. It's also not a licensed user, so I'm probably going to get an error, but I can at least go through using the actual passkey to get in. So let's get that saved to the user profile. Passkey created. There you go. And now they've got a synced passkey. So I'm going to come over here. Let's try it. I'm pretty sure it's going to error, but let's try it anyway. Well, it's going to freak out because it's not really sure what to do. Now, this is actually authenticating as Acme user 1, but again, that's how it essentially would work. It's gonna, there you go. You can see Acme user 1 that I created yesterday. Acme user 2 would do the same thing. That's how I would actually use the passkey. So still a good demo. And that's how it works.